Let me ask you about Canadian housing, which, as you know, is a big chunk of the economy. There are reports from TD, for example, saying that we'll be seeing the lowest level of home sales, Moshe, since 2001. So you're going back more than 20 years. What does that mean?
Well, we ended last year talking about how interest rates were at 20-year highs. And so I don't think it's coincidental that the number you cite there, 2001, is about 20 years ago. And so, the housing market is very, very sensitive to those interest rates. And interest rates went from record lows just 12 months ago to 20-year highs right now. And of course, the Bank of Canada, in probably the next meeting, or if not the meeting after that, is going to increase interest rates again. And so it's not surprising that the housing market is going to be really soft. The good news is it was really overvalued and it really did need a correction. And so this really is not necessarily a bad thing.
Also, we're hearing from the head of Scotiabank, who has said that tens of thousands of Canadians could default, Moshe, on their mortgages because of rising interest rates. Your thoughts on that? I mean, are we looking at that kind of nightmare scenario, similar to what happened in the U.S. back in 2008?
It's possible, but I don't think that the banks necessarily want that to happen, right? They're going to do everything that they can to make sure that people can renegotiate their mortgages, maybe extend out a few years, maybe refinance at a higher rate and change their payments. The last thing that the banks want is to be holding the keys to a bunch of houses that are losing value. So the banks are going to do their best to work with people, but it is indicative of what I was just saying, that the housing market is really overvalued. And there were a lot of people that over indebted themselves and took on housing that they couldn't afford, enticed by record low interest rates. And so now that they're returning to higher levels, people are realizing that housing is not a guaranteed, always on the up situation. And so if some people are taken down, that's really unfortunate for them, but it's really necessary to restore some sort of semblance to that market.
Economist Moshe Lander joining us from Montreal. Good to see you, Moshe. Appreciate this.
Always a pleasure, Todd.